subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo introduced its new Y series phone in Indonesia called Vivo Y36, and it is the successor of the Vivo Y35 smartphone that was launched back in August last year. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y36 features a tall 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 650 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y36 sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, alongside the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with FunTouchOS 13 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.06 by 76.17 by 8.07 millimeters, and it weighs around 202 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y36 has been priced in Indonesia at 3,399,000 Indonesian rupiahs. And it will be available in aqua blue and meteor black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y36 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.